Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to paint a watercolor painting for beginners. So let's get started. Here I have made a very rough sketch with pencil for what we are going to make today. First I will apply some water in the background of objects in the drawing. I will add blue color in the background as we are painting sky. Use larger proportion of water to get a sky effect. Now I will paint trunk of the tree with black paint. Now I will highlight it with brown color. Now to paint trees, use a lighter color of green and add water to it. Paint the first layer with lighter shade of green and use more water content in the color. Now repeat the process of painting the first layer on every green object, shrubs, trees and grass. Now I am painting the roof of the house with red color with more water content in it and using the yellow color for the walls of the house. Now I am painting the detailings of the house like windows and roof. Paint the detailings of the roof with the second layer of red. Paint strokes as shown to show depth. Now use brown color with more water to paint the depth of the house. Now paint the second layer with darker shade of green on the trees. Paint minor objects like fence. Now highlight some areas with yellow shade. Now paint the last layer with darker shade of green, or you can mix the lighter shade of green with little black color. This will give the painting the required depth. I'm painting this area darker to show the shadows. Now you can do some detailing and paint grasses, strokes. Now I'm going to do some detailing on the house with darker shades of colors again. Now paint this little man. The painting is completed. Hope you liked it and enjoyed the video. Like this video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.